fucking get in there. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Everything AMG. Today I've got something so special for you guys. It may not be special to you, but to me this has been a dream of mine for such a long time. Just like the C63S and the C63 before that, I am just ticking dream cars off my list. Now, the channel is making a bit of a different movement. The car I've purchased is a salvage car. It's not recorded, it's category X, which means it's got no record of ever being smashed up or crashed or anything like that. I'm not trying to be Matt Armstrong. I'm not trying to be Ethan Owens, I think his name is, or Chris, I can't remember his surname. I'm not trying to be one of them people. I've repaired salvage cars and owned a German parts specialist and independent repair specialist since I was like 15, 16 years old. It's just not the type of thing I've ever thought about televising. Back when I used to do this years ago, people used to be funny about driving salvage cars, but as time's gone on, it's now become a thing. Like, people don't care and it's fun and all that sort of shit. But anyway, I'm changing things in 2025. This channel is going to do different things now, and I'm going to give you guys a bit more transparency into what I actually do. Anyway, let's show you the car. Hold on. Oh, fucking get in there. Wicked. Oh, fucking, I'm buzzing. Fucking get in there. I'm over the fucking moon. There you have it, guys. This is my new to me Mercedes GT S. Absolute dream come true. And when you find out how much I paid for this car at Aesthetic, you won't believe it. Trust me, I more or less got it for less than half price of what it's worth. And the mad thing about it as well, all the parts for the car were still in the car. They never advertised it. So when it went up for auction, they never advertised that everything for the car was in the back of it. So all the door cards that were taken off of it in the advert weren't there. What else? The door mirrors. They went on the car, obviously, when we bought it. So they were all in the back of the car as well. Loads of things, grills, bits and bobs. The whole complete front bumper is there as well. The only things I've got to find are like two headlights, a wing, a side skirt. It's hardly anything to purchase for this car. It's insane. Basically, I don't know why when they auction it, they never advertise that. But that saved me like £5,000, maybe £6,000 in parts. This car will be back on the road within like a week, and we're going to document the whole thing. There's going to be a whole series on repairing it, put it on the road. There's going to be tons of modifications done to this car when it's done as well. You know what I'm like, guys. I'm just going to absolutely cover the car. So let's go over for you guys, like what categories mean, because I'm not sure if many of you know this sort of thing. So when you get a category X, it means it's completely unrecorded. Nothing's been put on the record. So if you did a HPI check, nothing would come up. It would never come up that it's been in an accident whatsoever. Then you've got a category S, which is a structural damage car. So if you've damaged the actual chassis, the structure of the vehicle. And then after that, you've got a category N, which is non-structural. So that could be like you've damaged a bumper and a bonnet or a wing, that sort of thing. And the insurance companies are really off to that. So this car would never be on the register. After it's repaired and done, put back on the road, no one would ever know it's been in an accident whatsoever. I paid for this car £18,700. Now, with this spec, because this is an S as well, it's got the full dry carbon in the car, S steering wheel, full Alcantara door cards. What's the name? The S alloys as well. It's got fucking everything. It is a fully loaded spec GTS. Hence why I wanted this car so badly, because you cannot find these cars. There's not many of them on the market with the bucket seats, all that sort of stuff. It's I don't know, weird. I don't know why you wouldn't option it. You're buying this sort of car brand new. Why wouldn't you option it? Yeah, I paid £18,700 for this car, plus fees and plus VAT. I mean, I'm not too fussed about the VAT. I have a limited company, so for me it doesn't matter. I get that back. But the costs of repairing this car are not going to go anything over £6 easy. They're never going to be more than that. I've already managed to sort out a wing. I've already managed to find the headlights, purchase a side skirt already. There's no airbags gone off. There's nothing like that. It is, honestly, it is such an easy car to repair. It's the easiest car I've ever had to repair. Like my C63 S was quite badly damaged. Well, not badly damaged, but it was damaged. Do you know what I mean? And we had that done within 2 weeks. And I will show you some photos later on, and maybe if I've got some videos, I'll show you some videos of the 63S as well, just to give you guys an idea of how good the work is that we do. But our work's fantastic, and we don't cut corners, and we don't cheap out either. It's not worth it. You're dealing with really high category, like class cars, do you know what I mean? It's my passion. I love it. So I would never cheap out on my vehicles. I mean, this is just going to be insane when it's done. Like, I don't know if you guys know much about GTSs who's watching this, but they are such a beautiful car. Don't get me wrong, I would have loved a GTR purely for the wider arches, but you can do so much to these. That's the thing. You can buy conversion kits, you can do all that sort of stuff. Personally, for me, I'm going to put it back to the way it was and then just mod it. So when I do come to sell it, we can take it back to standard, because I don't want to ruin this car. It's a wonderful thing, so I'm not going to go into that and start ruining it. When this car is done and finished and put back on the road, I mean, I don't know if, yeah, I'll shoot up some examples now. As you can see, the car would be worth in the realms of like 50 to 60 odd £1,000, purely down to the spec and how rare they are. I think there was only 488 in the UK. That's it. 30 of them are sawn off the road. So there's only about 450 of these driving around the UK only, and a lot of these are being exported as well, believe it or not. So it just shows they're just gonna shoot back up in price. Don't get me wrong, the new GT come out and it dropped the price of these massively, but I'm not big on the new GT. I personally haven't been in, well, I haven't been in one. I've been around one. I've seen one at Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful looking car. Interior wise, don't love it. So like on this one, the original center console is like, I think the center console in these cars is what makes them personally. Like that there, just that look is like something special. That there, when you're sitting in the car, like when you're sitting in this car like here, and you've got all this around you sort of thing. It's hard to explain, but unless you've sat in one, you wouldn't really understand. But it's like if you've ever been in a racing car or something like that, having all that around you while you're driving makes you feel part of the car. It makes you feel like you're in the car. And that's exactly what this car does to you. It makes you feel like you're a part of the car. But then the S models were designed to feel more like a racing spec car. They have got the updated suspension. They have got the adaptive engine mounts as well. I think you can tell how excited I am to get this car back on the road. Like, I physically cannot wait to get this back on the road. It's just going to be an absolute dream. Even like this, just like the long, elongated bonnet. Like, you do not realise how long that bonnet is. And the other fantastic thing about these cars as well is you've got mid-engine. So the car is mid-engined, gearbox is at the back. It is a completely well-balanced machine. Like, driving-wise, they're fantastic. They are unfucking believable. And like, compared to my C63S, like, you can't even go around a corner and boot it, and trust me, you're going to lose it. This thing is built for the track. especially with them bucket seats as well. Like you know, you're just going to feel like you're in there. Oh, I cannot wait to get this back on the road. Especially with summer around the corner. I mean, like, it's going to be, oh, it's going to be something. And that's it for today, guys. That wraps up part 1 and day 1. Obviously, the next video will be out soon as we progress. Now, this vehicle should be done, I'm hoping, within the next 2 weeks. So everything's prepped, everything's sorted. We've ordered a lot of parts. Things are coming in this week, going in the body shop Friday. So fingers crossed, all being well, this car will be back on the road by the end of next week. But you'll find out in another episode, won't you? See you soon, guys.